everyone, I'm Andrea and I will show you a little bit about our product Ultra-Fast Interrupter or UFI, which performs the interruption test for the LV124 and 148 standards. We have built a basic setup. As you know from our competitors, it's a very easy manual setup. You will see here a power supply or an amplifier depending on your needs, our interrupter connected to the supply, a function generator of your choice, and an oscilloscope which you need to visualize the measurements. A simple resistance simulates your ECU, and you can see what happens when we perform interruptions. We have 12 volt as a supply, and we give this as an input to the interrupter, and through the output you will see the interruptions on the oscilloscope. There are several options which you can use in a manual way for the ultra-fast interrupter. You can use the dip switches for this. If you want to support the power supply into the steepness of the interruptions, then you have an ECAP capability on the interrupter, and of course you can set the various modi for the interruption test also using the dip switches. On the back of the setup you can see the trigger signal connected to the ultra-fast interrupter coming from the function generator. Without the ECAP, this is how the signals would look like, and if we switch the ECAP capability on, then you will see much sharper signals. Another important feature of the ultra-fast interrupter is the possibility to interrupt bus lines like CAN and LIN. There are connections for 4 such lines here, and the corresponding trigger inputs on the back of the device. For further details concerning the dip switches or the supported features of the UFI, you can consult the user manual. It's very important to consider that the bus lines are used in a bidirectional way and the power line in a unidirectional way. You can improve this very basic setup using our signal generation instead of a usual function generator, so that you can automate certain features of the ultra-fast interrupter. We'll show you now how it works. This improved setup using a signal generation from WKS allows the automation of the UFI device. This is done through a very simple cabling. It's called a feedback and remote interface of the UFI. As you can see, it's very easy to connect. This way you don't have to worry about setting the modes for the ultra-fast interrupter as well as ECAP capabilities. This can be done remotely. The best setup to use our ultra-fast interrupter is, of course, our fully automated testing systems, RTStand LV124, LV148. Everything is built in the system. Of course, our ultra-fast interrupter, the signal generation, and all other devices such as tube analyzers for monitoring the signals. This way, you don't have to worry about setting up anything manually. All the functions and settings for the ultra-fast interrupter are predefined in our library, and you can simply let the tests run and enjoy your day. Thank you.